Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be discussing a unique indicator. It is the Elliott Wave with Fibonacci indicator. Okay, so it is a custom indicator, meaning that you will need to download the indicator from a reputable site online. And after you have downloaded the indicator, then you will need to add the indicator to your indicators folder for the MetaTrader platform. After that, you will need to restart your terminal, after which you'll be able to load the indicator to your chart. So right now, I'm going to be adding the indicator to the chart right away. Okay. So this is how the indicator looks like. It's quite an interesting indicator. If you are a fan of the Elliott Wave theory or the Fibonacci principle, then you will find this indicator quite interesting. Okay, now this indicator helps you to analyze the market trends and identify potential trading opportunities. The indicator is unique because it combines the predictive power of Elliott Waves and the precision of the Fibonacci retracements. All right, the indicator actually helps you to provide a kind of complete view of price action, as we can see here on the chart, and coupled with the fact that the indicator shows you Elliott wave patterns, it helps you to identify potential reversal points using Fibonacci ratios, right? So you get entry points, you get potential exit points, trading made easy, right? So when you want to make use of this indicator, pay attention to the levels identified by the chart. All these levels are important price levels. These levels are identified by the indicator. The indicator automatically plotted all these levels. Okay, so pay attention to those levels. Those are important price levels on the chart. Okay, so first of all, identify the direction of the trend. When you want to make use of this indicator, first of all, identify the direction of the trend. Okay, so we can see that the indicator has already showed us a possible reversal point around here and a possible reversal point around here. Okay, the current trend is a sell trend. As we can see, this is actually the current trend. It's a sell trend, but the indicator has showed us that we could possibly see a reversal here. You can see this green line identified by the indicator is showing us that we could possibly see a reversal here. So in this case, watch out for any reversal candlestick patterns. If a bullish reversal candlestick patterns appear around this zone, then we could actually have a bullish reversal. All right, so in this case, watch out for very clear reversal patterns. You can also make use of other indicators just to confirm your signals. For example, we can try adding the relative strength index to the chart, and we can see that right about this point, the RSI is in the oversold territory. So being in the oversold territory, it means that we could have a bullish reversal. So this even further adds to the confirmation of a bullish reversal possibly about to happen. Okay, so let us see if we can find any historical examples that we can reference. Now the indicator identified, let us see. Okay, so based on Elliott wave theory, we can see that the indicator identified these waves, right? We have the wave 3, we have the wave 4, and we have the wave 5. And right after the wave 5, we can see that this was a bullish trend, right? This was a bullish move. And right after the wave 5, we can see that there was a bearish breakout. Right after the wave 5, there was a bearish breakout, and this would have been a good place to enter a sell. Okay, should have been a good place to enter a sell, especially after getting a confirmation. For example, the RSI showed us that there was sell momentum. There was actually some bearish momentum around here. You can see how the RSI was trending downwards. Okay, so this would have been a good place to enter a sell. After entering a sell, you can set your stop loss above the previous swing high, and then for your take profit, you can actually decide to use this support zones. For example, this is a very important support zone. So you could have considered setting your stop loss above this swing high, setting your take profit at this support zone, or you can decide to wait for the price for the RSI to enter the oversold territory and begin to point upwards, and you use that for your exit. Okay, you can use that as your exit strategy when the RSI enters the oversold territory and begins to point upwards. So it's very easy. Using this Elliott Wave with Fibonacci indicator is very easy. Okay, just watch out for the levels that are being plotted by the indicator. The indicator does the big job for you. Okay, the indicator does the load of work for you. Identifies the wave patterns and identify important Fibonacci levels where possible reversals could occur. So all you need to do is watch out for price action around those important levels. Okay, so once you have identified important price activity around those levels, the next thing for you to do is to take action. All right, if you find a bullish candlestick pattern around a support, you have the opportunity to enter a buy trade. If you find a bearish candlestick pattern around a resistance, you have the opportunity to enter a sell trade. Okay, so it's quite easy, it's quite effective, but it does not guarantee profit. All right, there is no single indicator that guarantees profit. No single indicator can guarantee 100% accuracy. All right, and that is the reason why it's important that you always make good use of risk to reward ratios. Make sure that you do not risk more than you can afford to lose, and make sure that your risk to reward ratio is kept at a minimum of 1 to 2. If you are risking $1, your profit target should be minimum of $2. Okay, and then in terms of lot sizes, pay attention to your lot sizes. All right, do not over leverage. Okay, do not over leverage. And then if you are trading, do not use more than 2% of your account balance to enter a single position. All right, it's not advisable. Okay, it's not advisable. So that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.